Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. I'm here with Mark.
G'day, Jace.
Where are we? We are in the heartland of Waikato at Morrinsville Motorama. So second year here, sponsoring behind it, but this is just all about the shed life. Just awesome, crazy classic cars. Everybody's welcome. So a mixture of everything. What are you already seeing today, Mark? What are you excited about?
I'm excited about all sorts of treasures. I'm on my third cup of coffee, so I'm absolutely fizzing. I'm loving all the old Fords. We've got Capris, Escorts, Cortinas, and then of course the Falcons.
Yeah.
But also you can't ever complain seeing so many beautiful Holdens as well. We've got Commodores galore.
So Commodores, we've got some classic Hiluxes, modern Hiluxes.
Yes.
We got a 43 Jeep that was over here. The Yanks brought it over in the war and it stayed here and it's still cranking along. So many Impalas, Chevys. Plus all the van life going on. We've got trucks going on as well, hot rods.
That's it. Well, it's almost probably enough talking from us. You can see we're excited. Let's start walking around and seeing some of these awesome vehicles up close. Like,
So
what have we got
Matrix
behind us?
Continental. Matrix Continental, blue pill, red pill, suicide doors on there. All customized, custom thing, safety bat in there. Looking absolutely wonderful. This crew, I think, has a multiple sets of cars. So you got this crazy motorhead thing next door as well. Just looking absolutely sick. Got the bad rolls down here. Yeah, that's it. Do you want to talk up the cars, bro?
Talk up the cars. Do I want to talk up the cars? Bloody oath.
Yeah, mate, give us a whirl.
66 Lincoln Continental convertible. I love the film The Matrix. So boom, there it is, The Matrix. And in the carpet down here, I put it out to the world to do a Matrix carpet, and the only one that came back to me and that could manufacture that was Sweden. So that's where I bought the carpet in Sweden. This one here is a 36 Plymouth rat rod. I bought it from Canada, $3,000 US, and as you can see, it's got plenty of warrants and regos on it.
100%.
And that's a beautiful car to drive and ride in. It's really stretched out. And then the Corvette Stingray, I've had that for 30 years.
Dang.
Yeah, mate, that's my baby. I've only lost my license 4 times, so that's okay.
Keep finding it.
Yeah, but I deserved it. It's running a 540 Merlin, which is a Chevy race motor, 900 at the rear wheels, dyno, 871 supercharger with 950 Demons, and I've got a trans brake, which I can do a launch. The actual airbrushing's 20 years old. And a guy, Brett or Hippie, did that in Hamilton. And then I paid a guy to do a Motorhead stereo, and that was done in Warkworth. Was off the road for a few months and $60,000. And then the dash I had done 15 years ago, and I got the steering wheel coming out of his mouth.
Awesome. This is what you get. Come down to mighty Morrinsville and you just get to see so many sick passion projects and that. So cool to see people that have owned them for 30 years, 40 years, doing them up, investing into them. But what we'll do is we're just going to let the camera roll through and we're just going to roll through some of the crazy cars that we were seeing here, and we'll jump back and commentate on some when we meet them. So we're going to head over, check out the trucks. We love a bit of a truck life as well.
Yeah, shout out to Morrinsville Super Shop, big truck workshop here in Mega Mooseville, and we build it. So let's go have a look at some awesome trucks. Man, yeah, people think it's expensive to do up old cars. Imagine how much it is to do up old trucks. Check this bad boy out. This has been my favorite truck so far. This paint job, just absolutely immaculate. Super cool looking. Got the eagle on the front. Got the swan on there. Proud as punch. It's beautiful.
Smokey and the Bandit, I believe. This is the
Bandit, yeah.
The Smokey and the Bandit truck.
Oh yeah, should we have a look at the sign writing on the trailer unit? Look at that.
Look at that. Shout out to the mate Prescott Engines up north. He's got a sick Trans Am as well. Scares me when I have to go in it.
Oh, I see. I was like, these guys are having a good time. Now they've been held up at gunpoint. They're not having a good time.
Check this out, Rover V8. So there was like the Rover and the Triumph V8s were around when I was like mid to late 90s, and these things like $2,000, so they were nothing. Beautiful cars. I was at the end of an era when classics were like throwing away. Escorts, Cortinas.
American muscle at its finest. Couple of beautiful Hummers here. Look at this absolute of a tank of a vehicle. Imagine the loads I could tow in this bad boy. Absolutely awesome. Bit of an older one and then a bit of a newer one. The beast next door to it. Absolutely awesome. Look at the huge chromies on this bad boy. Look at that. Chromies for the homies. Absolutely awesome. I'm back from the future and I've got good news for you. It's all here happening at Morrinsville Motorama. We've brought the past back, mixed it in with the present, and you got one of the best car shows in the whole of New Zealand. Next to me got the classic old DeLorean. Were they fast? No. But were they beautiful? Yes. All stainless steel, sleek. Mwah, looks delicious. Beautiful stuff.
You can hear the sweet sound of V8s in the background. We've got this beautiful Willys Jeep here, 1943. When I say it's JP42, the Yanks brought this over in World War II. So they had it all here and they left it behind. This chap got hold of it, I think in 77's, done it all up, got all the vintage gear on it. But it's just cool to see that one. Thank you for the service, all the service people out there doing the business. So I wanted to do this one as a little bit of a dedication to all the servicemen and women out there behind our freedom.
G'day mate, how are you?
Yeah, good mate.
What's the name?
Crazy Larry.
Crazy Larry, you're a crazy old fellow. What do we got going on, Larry?
We found this in a barn and fully rebuilt it.
When did you find it in the barn?
2001.
2001, and then fully rebuilt it. So original engine that it was with, just rebuilt?
No.
All redone.
All redone, yeah.
And what are you running in there?
350 Chev.
350 Shed.
Turbo 350 trans, 9-inch stuff.
Yeah, nice. And you get it out quite a bit, car shows, drags?
All the time, bro.
Yeah, as much as you can.
Yeah.
Got Luke here with a sweet ride. Tell us a little bit about it.
It's a 91 VN SS 304 iron line in the hood. It's a 5-speed manual and yeah.
Yeah, so this factory paint job on it still?
This is all factory.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah, it's all factory as it is. Yeah.
And then you put banks on it when you got it, or?
They came with it, but yeah, we've lowered it. We've gone over everything, new parts like this, just to try and make it a bulletproof, really.
Yeah, nice.
Keep it surviving.
How cool is that? What are we looking at?
Twin carbies. She's all go.
Yep.
How long you had it?
45 years.
45 years, nice.
Did you drive it off the showroom floor?
No, I got it 10 years old.
Really?
So it's a 55-year-old car now?
It is.
Oh my goodness, this looks amazing. Is that a grenade on the back? Oh my gosh! Oh right, that's just in case that doesn't work. Gotcha. It's good to have a backup plan here. Big hand everyone, come on, give them some support. A lot of work's gone into this to maintain it.
Morrinsville, awesome. Motorama, awesome. So many cool cars, trucks, caravans. Mark, highlights?
It's been an absolute blast. Been a ton of highlights, seeing all the cool minis from the Waikato Mini Club. That was a real highlight for me. And then just seeing so many awesome cars and every different colour you could dream of. And then just people having a good time. It's always such a big part of this. The punters coming down to enjoy it and all the legends bringing out their awesome cars.
Absolutely. Thank you to all the legends that brought out all the cars, let us see them and brought them out into the weather. Thank you for everybody that came along today. Thank you for the people of Morrinsville, the Waikato and Aotearoa, New Zealand. We love you all for all this cool stuff. This is what the shed life and Waikato Sheds is all about this world.
And then a big shout out to all the people that work behind the scenes to make Motorama happen.
100%.
Absolute legends, helping park the cars, organise it all. Take my hat off to you.
That's a hat off to the people behind Morrinsville Motorama. We thank you all and all those service members out there doing it for our freedom. Thank you too. Great sheds.
Done right.